Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be playing with my friend Elliot. So guys, right now I am going to be going on to Roblox. First I am going to be playing Royale High. My brother says it's called Royale High, but I think it's called Royale High. But anyways, guys, make sure to follow me and my friend Elliot on YouTube, and well, that's like about it. So yeah, guys. Oh, there's two friends requests. Is it .edu? By the way, that's my friend Elliot, but she hasn't forgiven me yet. So I guess I'll do it. Okay, players, then guys, I might be eating throughout the video because I do have to, I am gonna be eating my dinner. That you do. What's a profile? Let's see. Friends. Great. Oh guys, this might be it. This might be Elliot. The cat's life. She didn't tell me about any of that. This is not softy do 06. Hopefully this is it. Cross my fingers. Got to. No. But now. Don't forget. Oh, yes. She didn't tell me about this, but I'd friends. And a friend, please. And my friend is my friend. Ooh, she is on my inside. What? Sorry, I don't know what time it is, but right now I'm gonna be playing some Royale High. Guys, I accidentally didn't put it in the video, but I might do it right now because yeah, I put it in the video, guys. I'm so sorry if you had to hear that. But guys, I am going to be let me not this is me. So guys, I'm going to be doing okay. Actually I'm gonna do it. Oh no, I'm messing with my things again. Okay, Royale High. Choose your answer. No. Is this actually more hard? But no. No, that couldn't be. Why? Because I don't have any paper. That's not very high, but I will be playing that. That later, or I may maybe not. Small older headphones. Okay. And then so come on. Okay, you might hear my mom. I said last episode. You might hear my mom or my dad or anyone because I am in the kitchen. I'm not outside because you wouldn't even be able to see me, right? You guys. Didn't really see me